In this experiment, there were 6 male and 6 female adult Sprague Dawley rats that were studied in our NORCAS. The rats were injected with mucilol via the basal-radial amygdala on both memory days 1 and 2. The rats that did not receive the mucilol on day 1 got vehicle instead, and then on day 2 they got the mucilol, and vice versa. This experiment was a within-subjects design, which means that all the rats got all the drug treatment, so it was counterbalanced. This was helpful to our experiment because we were able to see each individual rat's interaction with all the drugs. During this experiment, we had different variables that we assessed. The variables that we assessed were ambulations, how the rats moved around the open area, contacts, how many times a rat touched one of the objects, either novel or familiar, and also the contact time, how long a rat stayed on one object, like stayed in the square, observing it. We also kept track of the discrimination index, which is described on the slide, as well as you can see the equation that we used to calculate it. At the bottom of the slide, I have shown a timeline of events for this experiment. It is not as it should be or as long as it should be because of COVID-19. We had to shorten the time, so the treatments would be a little longer before we started the test, and the days in between probably would have been longer. The timeline basically just shows the rats' norm memory, where they first started, then norm memory day 1 with the injections, and norm memory day 2 with the injections.